Hey everybody, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7, and in today's video, we want to show you how to personalize your Galaxy Fold 7. Now, what we mean by personalize is being able to add your name to the lock screen of the phone. And so you might ask, why would I want to do that? Well, the reason for doing that is another way to let people know who the phone belongs to. So for instance, if you were to leave it sitting somewhere at work and walk off, somebody could pick up the phone, and when they hit the lock screen or hit the power button to go to the lock screen, they can see the phone has your name on it. Then they can get it back to you safely. So the first thing we want to do to be able to get our names on the lock screen is go ahead and grab your phone here, and then you want to go to the settings. And so this is the settings button right here with the little gear. You tap on that to open it, and once you get to settings, you want to scroll down. You want to scroll down to where you get to lock screen and AOD. So when you get there, to go ahead and tap on it like so. And once you tap on it, you come to this menu, and then you want to scroll down to get to where it says contact information. Tap on the contact information. And so when you get to this screen, you will go ahead and put your name or nickname or your company name in. We'll just put in like something like Melvin T. And then you hit done. And then what you would do now is come out of this screen or go back to your home screen, and then you hit the power button to go to the lock screen. Hit it again for the lock screen to come on, and as you can see there, it has the name Melvin T. Now what's cool about it too is if you were to close it, it would say it there also. So that works out real well, that your name will actually show up on both screens. So that's about it for our video for today. How to personalize your Galaxy Fold 7 by adding your name to the lock screen. So hopefully we shared something that you can use as something that was beneficial. If so, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and hit the like button. And don't forget to hit the bell icon too so you'll be notified of new content. Again, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7, bringing you technology that's on the move. Thanks.